To join a classroom, search in Google for Google Classroom. Then, click on the link. Enter your school email account. The next thing you do is click on the button to join the class. This is what you'll see when you enter the class. If you want to return to your email or to go to Drive, then you can click on the App Launcher in the top right-hand corner. For more information about using the pages in Google Classroom, watch the next video using Google Classroom. When you are a member of a classroom, to log in, you first need to log into your school email account, then click on the App Launcher and at the very bottom, click on the classroom icon. If you don't see the classroom icon, you can click on More and it will appear, or you can search in Google for Google Classroom. If you want to use your mobile phone or a tablet to use Classroom, then you can download the app for free.